वाडे दाबोळे पीडब्ल्यूडी कोट्यांनी मोडून खाजगी बिल्डिंगांनी पेवर्स बसोवप, पेंटिंग, रिपेर्स असली कामां करता। पीडब्ल्यूडी खाजगी बिल्डिंगांनी असली कामां कशी करपाक शकता काय म्हूण आमदार माविनाचो प्रस्न। पीडब्ल्यूडीचे स्कॅम चल्ला, एकल्यान प्रकरण विजिलन्सांतय पावयलां, मात चवकशी खंय सारकी जायना।
Private works in private areas which is owned privately works are being executed at the cost of PWD. These are funds from the state exchequer. Nobody has the right to misuse the fund. Assistant engineer Nagarji was directly involved in this particular business of awarding the works of formulating the tenders, when actually those works cannot be carried out with public funds. Even some works which people were not interested were sought to be done. Estimates were originally, one of the case where I pointed out to you was around 5 lakhs. After 2 years, the same work which people said don't want the work was shown as executed, and the bills were to the tune of 11 lakhs. Like this, there are several works. And therefore, a spirited citizen filed a vigilance complaint. And with the vigilance complaint which was made to the Honorable Vigilance Minister, which is the Chief Minister, as of now, all those files have been seized. Unfortunate fallout is all works have, buildings have stopped all works, ongoing works, because of this investigation. It should not stop general works per se, but this is what has happened. Actions of one assistant engineer who is directly involved with one ex-councillor into formulating all these scams, the entire work should not suffer. That is what is happening. Here somebody is trying to even paint buildings for the sake of garnering support. In spite of a vigilance complaint, the first thing is he should have been suspended. He has not been suspended.
माविन असिस्टंट इंजिनियर नगरचीचेर आरोप करता। नगरची म्हणटा पीडब्ल्यूडी मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकार सांगता तशें खंय तो करता।
Concerned minister has approved the proposal for laying of the pavers in some of the buildings at Wade. That is buildings of the societies, building societies where that open spaces are inside the compound wall. So that he has approved, and accordingly, as per the approval, we have prepared the estimate and submitted for the tender. Concerned Mr. Sudhin Dhavlekar has approved it. After his approval only, we are prepared the estimate.
माविन जे आदल्या कावन्सिलराचो उल्लेख करता तो फाटले विधानसभेक माविना आड राविल्लो एमजीपीचो प्रेमानंद नानोस्कार। प्रकरण वाऱ्यार घालपाचो माविनाचो हेतू कितें आसूं ताचो बाण पीडब्ल्यूडी मंत्री सुदिनाचेर। असली खाजगी बिल्डिंगेची कामां पीडब्ल्यूडीन करप सरकाराच्या कामकाजाच्या नेमांत बसता काय कितें ताची जाप सुदिनूच दितलो। प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशान परब।